Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you create social media posts, presentations, thumbnails, or marketing graphics in 2026, using Claude with Canva can turn your design workflow into a smart AI powered content creation system. So in this guide I will show you step by step how to use Claude with Canva in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So first thing first, you have to know that we have multiple methods. So basically there are four methods. So the first one is manual workflow. The second is presentation workflow. The third is social media content system. And the fourth is automation tools. Okay, so let's stick to one of them. Let's take, for example, to the the most common one, which is the manual workflow. So this is the easiest and the most popular method. So describe your design in Claude. So for example, write an Instagram caption for a gym transformation post, for example, or something like this. And then Claude can produce headlines, headlines, subtitles, bullet points, captions, scripts, call to action text. Okay, so pass text into Canva design. So open, Canva, choose templates. Okay, insert Claude generated text, adjust fonts and layouts, fastest and simplest workflow. Okay, so this is it. This is the way that, or the simplest way that you can handle this issue. So this is, guys, how to use Claude with Canva 2026, the simplest example. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.